Oh, oh, right there, didn't want to come up. Try it again. I'm coming in hot.
What's up?
I don't know, I heard clunking.
Dude, that's what I keep hearing.
You go back into neutral, let's see. That's so weird. Metal shavings from something.
Yeah?
I don't know what that is.
How old's your chain?
What's that?
How old's your chain?
No, it's not even on the chain. It's on the frame.
Really? I don't know.
The bearing right here. Oh, wait, let's see. Oh, yeah. That bolt.
Oh, shit.
Oh, the nut popped off.
What does that do?
It just holds the thing in place. That's fine. I'll just throw it in my pocket. Find a nut to throw on it later. Should still be on there enough.
Up.
Well, boys,
Fucked up.
we're rip my rear rim. Look at that, shattered, bro. Shattered. Oh my